Good morning. Good morning, all. My name is Kelly, and I am your host today. First, let us praise and thank the Almighty God for the blessing and grace we can meet online. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce moderator. She is Cecilia. Cecilia, please.
Okay, allow me introduce myself. My name is Cicilia. I am from SMK Negeri 1 Malinau. Um, I will introduce our first person, namely Supriyadi, and the second presenter, namely Lingai Bayu. Okay, first we start with Supriyadi. Please, Supriyadi.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name my name is Supriyadi. My hobby is watch Korean film. I would like to tell you about an actor that is Lee Dong-yoon. That is my favorite actor, and he comes from South Korea. Born 11 April 1995. Full name is Lim Dong Hyun, and has played many film is one of which is Sweet Home, Homeless Again, Penthouse. I think that's all. That's I want in from you today for you. Good morning. Say thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Supriyadi. I will continue the second presenter, Lingai Bayu. Please, Lingai Bayu.
Okay. Well, good morning, everybody. So nice to meet you in this occasion. Well, I will tell about my story. My name is Lingai Bayuk, and I'm from Setulang, and I am the student of SMK Negeri 1 Malinau. I was born in Setulang on June 16, 2002. My family and I live at Pahla. My family and I live in Setulang at RT 3 number 13. My hobby is reading, swimming, and watching anime. I think that's enough for me to tell about my story because I don't have any more preparation or not meaning I don't have not ready, but I will say what I think, and yeah, this is what I think, and I think it's enough. And thank you for the chance and give opportunity that given to me. And I will say this program is very interesting, and I think we should help this program for all the school in our school to practice our um, in talk skill. Even we are not good in English, but if we still practice more and more, I think we will be good. And I think it's good for. I think it's good enough for me. And
Okay, if anyone want to ask me, please.
Okay, maybe Kelly's may want to say that if the audience want to give any suggestion or any questions that have presented by Supredi Lenchao and Linge Bayo, right? Okay, is that what you mean, Cecilia? Hello.
Yes, sir. That's what I mean. Take your time.
Okay, thank you, Cecilia, as the moderator for today that give a chance to the audience to ask the or to give some suggestions for the presentations that has given by Supriyadi Lencau and Lingai Bayuk. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for Kelly, Supriyadi Lencau, Lingai Bayuk, and Cecilia that you can join for our Zoom meeting this morning. And I really appreciate what you have done for today. Kelly as the presenters of Kelly as the host of our meeting for today, and Supriyadi Lencau and Lingai Bayok as our presenter, and also Cecilia as the moderator. We really appreciate. And as a teacher, I would like to give you some suggestion. First of all, that don't afraid to make mistake, ya. Jangan takut untuk berbuat salah when you doing this meeting. So just feel free. Kalian harus merasakan bebas, sebebas-bebasnya. You can, if you have some idea or you can have any suggestion to friends, also you can share in this program, yeah, or in this Zoom. So it is free. You don't have to think seriously about this, no, because we are just talking in English. This is a chance for us to practice our English here. If you have something topics that you want to share, just like what Supriyadi Lencau and Lingai Bayu have shared us today, such like Supriyadi, he said about an actor of Korean actor that he really like, and also it's really a good topic, exactly. So what topic do you want to share? Maybe your favorite food, maybe your house, maybe about your hobbies, and yeah, it's free for us to make our own topic, the simple one, and really easy to discuss, or you want to talk about. Just like Lingai Bayuk, today suddenly he just make his own presentations about himself, that he introduce about himself, talk about his hobbies, talk about his activities, and I think it's really good. And many topics you can try to find so that you can share it or you can present it for the next meeting. So it's really good, and I really appreciate that. And the first thing that I want to remind you that don't be afraid to make mistake, okay? Jangan takut kalau misalnya untuk buat salah. So if you cannot say something, if you have no idea, just speak in bahasa Indonesia. It's okay. Nanti bisa ngomong dalam bahasa Indonesia saja, nggak usah takut. Kalau misalnya, but we learn, ya. Tetapi kita belajar to improve our English and to improve our capability to speak in English and also to speak in in a meeting. I mean, to conduct a meeting for today. So I really appreciate. And then my suggestion is, saran saya adalah for the presentation, for the presenter, if you want to make your own presentation for the future meeting, for the next meeting, maybe you can share a screen, ya. Nanti kalian bisa coba-coba untuk share screen, ya. Maybe such like Supriyadi Lencau, we don't know who is the actor you talk about because you don't share us such like a picture of him, ya. Maybe, ya, kita nggak bisa lihat aktor yang dia ini tadi, yang dia sebutkan. Kecuali maybe you are love Korean and also you watch this movie with Supriyadi Lencau that talk us about. Yeah, maybe we know who he is talking about. And for me, exactly, I don't like Korean. I'm sorry. You know, I don't watch Korean movie or Korean songs. I don't like it at all. I'm sorry. It's not mean that I hate Korean. No, because I'm more into the American songwriter, American singer, and American actor. So yeah, that's what I like. but it's okay. So for Supriyadi, maybe for another time you can share a picture of the actor that you talk about or the actors that you talk about, so that we more interesting to listen. Okay? Jadi kita nanti makin tertarik karena kita kenal orangnya dengan melihat misalnya gambar tadi, ya. And Linyai Bayuk also, maybe for another topic you can also make us try to learn how to share screen, ya, for your own presentation. Nanti untuk di pertemuan berikutnya mungkin bisa untuk share screen juga. Nah, tapi tadi itu kan misalnya kamu kan sudah langsung muncul. Nah, tapi kalau misalnya you make your own such like a biography, ya kan, kamu bisa bikin kayak apa namanya? Kamu bisa bikin biografi kamu tersendiri dan kamu tampilkan, ya kan, misalnya apa masa-masa kecil seperti apa, you improve your story, ya. Tadi masih a very raw material, I mean, it's very basic, ya. Jadi tadi itu masih sangat mendasar sekali. So jangan and it's kayak kalian memang terburu-buru ya tadi itu ya, just like feel in a hurry, ya. Want to end the topic and the time to out, ya. Mau terburu-buru mau. Jadi just relax, we feel free and then be afraid about making mistakes. So that's what I want to suggest for you, not only for Supriyadi Lenco and Linyai Bayuk, but also for Kelly and Celia. For the next meeting, maybe you are going to be as a presenter, so you have to prepare your topics about, maybe if you want to say about the tourism, one of the object tourism in Malinau, you have to make your own pictures, maybe graphic, or maybe video, maybe it's as your creative, ya. Jadi sekreatifnya kalian, you make your own creativity. Jadi kalian buat kreativitas kalian sendiri to share that, to make you more easier to make your own presentation, and then to make the audience more interactive with your own presentations. Okay. So I think that's all that I want to suggest. Maybe you can change a suggestion to your friend if you have. If you don't have, so I would like to give back to our moderator today, Cecilia. Okay, Cecilia.
Okay. I return into the house.
Well, we've listened to the present on the day, and I want to say thank you very much and see you next time.
Okay, see you. This is for today. See you next time. Bye-bye all.
Bye.